Welcome to Torch Chasers. Today I've brought you along with me one of the biggest car shows I've ever been to. It is so packed, so busy, and like there's just too much to take in car-wise, so I've like walked around the whole thing, I've looked at a couple of bits, and I'm trying to film as much as I can, but it's quite stressful, just saying. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you around a couple of my favourite cars. Now you all know I love an Audi RS3. So this one has been remapped and stuff by Revo. Now Revo is a high-end remapping company that's quite well known. So I think it's only fair that I take you to the pièce de la résistance, the Land Rover of all Land Rovers, the Spectre done by Urban Automotive. Oh. If there was ever a Land Rover spec that you'd want, it would be this one. Like, I'm 6 foot, look how tall the bonnet is, it's like coming up to my shoulder. It's mental. Urban Automotive do some proper naughty cars. So this is their Urban Automotive Range Rover SVR. It's got gold wheels. Naughty. So at the Autosport car show, you literally have everything from rally cars to sports cars to supercars. You get out. You've got GT cars, Le Mans cars, just absolutely everything. Motorbikes, drift cars. It's like a big all-round show. I can't get my head around how much stuff there is, which is pretty awesome. So we're now walking past all the Formula 1 cars, which look absolutely insane. Until you see a Formula 1 car up close, you don't realise like how sick they are. Like this one's a matte Red Bull racing car. So I was walking around the whole thing by myself for about an hour and a half, but then luckily I stumbled across some of the Grimsby boys. What's up? Lads. And yeah, it's all good. So we're planning a really cool review on a E46 M3.
It fits him.
No, I don't.
Definitely fits.
No, I don't.
He's not stuck here.
I'm stuck. Nearly came with me.
That's what she said.
I've just stumbled across this Ford Ranger. I love a pickup. Look at this.
Wow.
What an absolute monster. So it is all closing up now. However, I do want to go get a couple more clips of some cars right at the top, some supercars for you. So I'm on my way. So I just met Mr. JWW, who is the sickest YouTuber ever. Like, he's just so cool, so happy to talk to you. So that was really sick that I met him. There's a really nice McLaren 570S here, which is absolutely sick colour. So I'm probably going to sign off here. It's been an awesome day. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe, and I shall see you in the next one.